so this is the OGX Bond Protein Repair. I think it's popular in the Abby Young method, and it comes out like a mister bottle, as you guys can see from the packaging. I put a lot on, so you guys can see my hair is my butt. And then I like to start with like a fake brush, and then I'll go in with my Swissco Pro. Okay, so we're pretty detangled before. If you guys haven't seen the rubber, I'm probably not gonna do like a full review. I'm just gonna show you guys how it works with this part. I have it on this highest setting and I have it on a 7. Ooh, okay. Something got a little hot in there. Pretty much. What happened here? Pretty much dry. My camera's dying, so be right back. But look how straight that got. Like, seriously, look how straight that got. And it's like lightweight. It's not like silk press, but this is good enough for me and what I do with my hair, which is braid it and put a wig on. I'm gonna let my camera dry and then I'll come back and show you guys this side with the other heat protectant. I'm gonna let my camera charge. Be right back. I think this is gonna be my new blow dry routine, and I love this with the Rev Air. Not so much of the Dyson, with the Rev Air, this is perfect. Let me know your guys' thoughts, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.